welcome back to our channel. Today, I want to share an extraordinary story from a parent's perspective. It's not just about a boy who conquered the chessboard but also about the incredible sacrifices and bold choices that paved his way. This is the story of Gukesh, the chess prodigy who became a champion, not just through talent, but through resilience, sacrifice, and unwavering family support. Let's walk through his journey, chapter by chapter, and uncover the lessons for all of us as parents and as kids. As usual, practice deep breathing while listening to feel better and healthy. The seed of a dream. It all started with a spark. Gukesh showed an unusual talent for chess at a young age. As parents, his mother and father didn't just dismiss it as a hobby. They nurtured it, even when it meant stepping into unfamiliar territory. Imagine identifying a dream in your child and deciding to chase it, knowing the road ahead would be anything but easy. Parents' reflection. How many of us would have seen beyond school grades and daily routines to recognize such potential in our children? How often do we dare to dream alongside them? Sacrifices on the board and beyond. While Gukesh sacrificed his childhood's simplicity, trading playgrounds for chessboards, his parents made equally bold sacrifices. His father left no stone unturned to fund Gukesh's training, and his mother devoted her time for being a rock-strong support. Their lives revolved around his growth. Schooling took a backseat, not because education wasn't important, but because they believed in a different kind of learning for their son. Parents' reflection. Would we, as parents, have the courage to disrupt the conventional path? To take the leap of faith that education isn't just about books and exams but also about passion and perseverance. The fear of the unknown. Gukesh wasn't immune to fear. As a young boy, the thought of stepping into a world of professionals must have been daunting. But here's the twist, his parents became his anchors. They didn't just push him, they stood beside him, absorbing the fears and uncertainties. Parents' reflection. Sometimes, we let our own fears stop us from letting our children take risks. What if they fail? What if they fall behind? But Gukesh's story teaches us that true growth comes from daring to leap into the unknown. The power of unwavering support. Not every day was a victory. Gukesh faced defeats, and with them came moments of doubt. But his parents didn't let him lose sight of the bigger picture. They taught him resilience, not through words but through actions. Their presence, their belief, was the constant that kept him going. Parents' reflection. How often do we as parents unintentionally pressure our children to succeed, forgetting that failure is part of the journey? Gukesh's parents showed that the key is to be the wind beneath their wings, not the weight on their shoulders. The triumph and the lessons. And then came the day Gukesh became a champion. But this wasn't just his victory, it was a family victory. It was a testament to their sacrifices, their belief, and their love. For Gukesh, it wasn't just about the trophy. It was about becoming the person he is today, resilient, humble, and fearless. Parents' reflection. As parents, we often play it safe, afraid of making bold choices for our kids. But Gukesh's story shows us that extraordinary results come from extraordinary steps. It's not about making every child a champion, it's about teaching them to follow their passion with courage and dedication. So, dear parents, let's take a moment to reflect. What dreams have we overlooked in our children? What fears have held us back? And to the kids watching this, know that it's okay to dream big, to take risks, and to fail. Because in the end, it's not just the victories that define you, but the journey and the lessons learned along the way. Gukesh's story isn't just about chess, it's about the power of belief, sacrifice, and daring to walk a different path. Let's all take a leaf from his family's book and support our children to be the best versions of themselves. Thank you for watching, and remember, every move you make matters.